Ready to grab that new game, but running into the dreaded credit card decline message on the Epic Games Store. Don't rage quit just yet, because we're about to walk you through some quick fixes to get you back in the game. First things first, double check that you've entered all your credit card information correctly. Really double check, make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address all match exactly what's on your card and on file with your bank. A simple typo can cause a decline. Next, ensure your card hasn't expired. Seems obvious, right? But expiry dates sneak up on us. If it has, you'll need to update your payment information with a valid card ASAP. If your card details are correct, it's time to contact your bank or credit card company. There might be a temporary hold on your card due to suspected fraud, a low daily spending limit, or some other restriction. Explaining your situation to them usually clears things up quickly. Still no luck? Consider using an alternative payment method. Epic Games Store accepts various payment options like PayPal, different credit cards, or even Epic Games gift cards. Switching it might bypass the issue. As a final resort, if nothing else works, it's time to contact Epic Games support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and troubleshoot any potential issues within their system. Head to their support website and look for the Contact Us section. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you resolve your credit card decline issue and get back to gaming. Now go dominate that leaderboard.